Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is Bournemouth and Poole RC car repair. We've got a Slash 4x4 in today for a new drive shaft. As you can see, that's what happens to the drive shaft. It's off of this one here. I've just taken the drive shaft off, but I thought I'd make a video of it. As you can see, it's bent, which is causing the wheel to wobble around. It's also quite corroded where it's been running on the beach. So if we remove the body shell and take the tyre off. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our hex set to take off the rear caster, this one here, nice and simple, just like that. And then we have the brand new axle ready to go in, which is this one here. As you can tell between the two of them, you know, a bit of one is crusty and one's nice and brand new. So what I'm going to do is pop that into here. So there's a hole in this axle here, which you have an axle pin which is on the back balance on the end of my hex driver tip. So what's going to happen is that goes into here, and you line up the diff output on the drive shaft, which is easier said than done when you're trying to record it. So he goes on there. Not forgetting your Loctite, which I nearly did. We're using some decent Loctite here. Pop that on your thread, like so. And then what we're going to do is pop it in the hole, like that. I'm just going to use the driver just to put him in nice and tight. There we go. Don't like to do it too tight because just in case, these are unfortunately the cheaper end of the scale axles. They will go wrong eventually, so you want to get them out afterwards. Slide back your hub into here. You want to do your screw back up, which is conveniently still on your hex driver. Pop them in roughly. Bang your drive back on. Lovely. And what you're going to want to do is find your little, there's a little tiny little bar that goes inside the axle pin, goes inside there. You're then going to want to pop your hex on. That goes on with a nice clip. And you can put your tyre back on as well, like that. And that is all replaced. Okay, and that's how it's nice and easy. Nice quick fix for the customer, nice and cheap as well, and their Slash is ready to go.